With thousands of loan options out there, my job is to take the stress out of finding the right loan for your circumstances. Take a look at how I can help you.
Finding the perfect loan can feel like a maze. And with thousands of different loans available, it's little wonder. Even knowing where to start can be overwhelming. That's why nearly half of Australians who take out property finance use a broker to do the hard work for them. Your local loan market broker works with over 1,000 products, from big-name financial institutions you know and trust, to small banks and credit unions, to match the right loan to your goals and financial position. We know that organising finance can be a hassle, and that's why we're happy to chat with you at a time that's convenient for you. Best of all, you don't pay us a single dollar for our service because we receive commission from the successful lender.
I hope you found that information useful. To find out more, call me today